rushing to like this?
Where does it look like I'm rushing to? If I catch that girl, trust me, I'm going to deal with her. What does she think she is?
I thought you're wiser than this. If I didn't tell you about seeing them, would you be running wide like this? You don't even know her.
And who told you I don't know her? I know her grandmother. That money misroad, troublemaker.
My dear friend, calm down. You're a lioness. I expect you to observe the situation before throwing yourself in the ring. We're not even sure if they have anything to do together.
But you said you saw them in a position that shows that something went down, right? I will so deal with her today. I will tear her into pieces.
Calm down. Relax. Wrong move. Let's go back home. Let's go. Let's go. When you want to fight, you fight a good battle, Mama.
Mary, tall, bright eyes, white teeth, curvy. I just can't wait to.
Welcome back.
What?
No, what? So what is the thank you are supposed to tell me for bringing you back from the land of the spirits? Huh? Are you mad?
Huh? Are you my wife? Are you my twin brother? Are you my mother? Why you always disturbing me? Yes, we're friends, but friends should have time for each other. And look at the way you just distracted me from my beautiful moment.
What's no moment? Just look around you. Where did you see anything that looked beautiful here? That is by the way. See, I just came to tell you that I have a very, very good news for you. And for you to advise me on the next step to take. Then and only then I can allow you to enjoy the evil spirit that is just running marathon race around your head.
Okay, can you just listen to yourself? Isn't it obvious that you're stupid? It's your good news, and then I have to advise you. How does that connect? All right, let's talk. I'm listening.
Gaze. Guess. Guess it.
Well, I can't guess now. You said you have good news. Tell me.
Let me take my time. Okay. You know Adugo, the girl I told you that I was crushing on all this while. She waved at me today. Like this. This story just started.
Are you out of your mind?
How
are you doing?
We're not friends again, so I cannot bring my stories and share with you. Haven't you been sharing things?
And then? What is even wrong with you? Are you out of your mind?
Don't we share things together? We share stories, we share fish. Can't we just share good news of somebody that waved at me?
Wait, Okombo. Is this the reason you called me back from my beautiful dream?
Oh no, we move. You are not dreaming, my brother. Look at it. How can you be dreaming? Where are you asleep? No. Are you sleeping now?
Okay then. Friends have connecting time. They have disconnecting time. Now is the time to disconnect. Go home. I want to go and sleep.
Hey, my gosh. Wow. I just want to bring your attention. I'm okay.
Onyembu.
Don't ask me again.
So, that girl is actually Chief Odogu's daughter. Wow. You know, that was the first time I saw her in flesh and blood.
She doesn't normally come home like that. Because as I heard, she manages her father's business in the city.
Oh, I cannot say why she's at home at this time. Or
what? I don't care. It's none of my business. okay? All I want is to pluck out her eyes. I mean, why can't she just stay back in her city than come here to take our men?
And speaking about men, my dear friend Ineka, men are very willing fellows. And Chikere, he will fall for her charms. She has a car, you don't even have a bicycle. Yes, do you have a bicycle?
See, Chikere has known me for a very long time now. Do you understand? I mean, she cannot just fly in from anywhere and destroy everything we have built together. It's not done. Because she better not think of it. If she does, I'm going to fight her with the last drop of my blood. I'll do that.
She has money. Bear that in mind. A man like Shikiri, he will fall like pack of cards for her.
Yes, he better not. He can't even try it.
Wait for me now. Where are you living? Neka.
Sister, why is your face looking so gloomy?
Is it not some people? They want to try me in this village. People that will not keep their hand one place.
Who must have taught the tiger's tail?
I don't know. One girl like that, they say she's Chief Odobu's daughter. Now she's planning to take away Chikere away from me. I don't care. But nobody takes Chikere away from me. I'll not take it from anybody.
So sister, you want to fight another girl? Because of Chikere, who has not declared his interest on you?
Shut up. What do you know? It's like this ucheku you're licking is getting into your brain.
Oh, well, actually, it is entering my brain, oh. Well, come. You told me that Chikere loves you and wants to marry you. Why are you now blaming my Chiku of that? Why?
I don't blame you, Bushman.
Okay.
Honey, we really need to do something.
What is going on?
We need to bring our daughter back to the city. Didn't you hear that recently she was attacked by all these village hoodlums? Honey, are you even listening to me?
If you're suggesting you bring Mary back to this house as it stands, you will not have my attention.
Honey, please. We're talking about her safety. I believe she must have learned her lessons. So please, lift the sanctions.
Nobody tells me how to discipline my daughter. Like I said earlier, Mary will remain in the village with my mother until she understands life. Not like she's lacking anything. I put her to be in charge of the fish pond, and she has been submitting her report as expected. She has so many distractions here in the city. Let her remain in the village. It's the best for her, so as to save her from destructions.
If you don't want to do something about this, then I will join her in the village.
You will do not sweat him. You do not sweat him. Not in my house.
We go through processes for a change in life. We go through processes for a change in life. Sometimes we meet ups and downs. It calls for a change. When you step, turn around, look the mark you leave behind. Life must give whatever it has for you. Be wise. Learn from this life, so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It could be sloppy. It could be smooth at times. Turns and twists could feel the way. Lessons of life. If you are arrogant, life has a way of changing you. If you live simple and careful, life has a way to favor you. Whichever way you decide to live your life, ever you choose to be, depends on you. So mysterious, life will be so mysterious.
Mama said you should come inside and sleep. It's getting cold already. Brother.
Huh?
It's like you're having the best of your life in this room. You were lamenting how you want.
I heard you.
What's her name?
I don't understand. What do you mean by what's her name?
Yes. Because I know it's only a girl that will make a man, that will keep a man awake by this time, and you'll be doing ooh here like what I don't know. Is it Neka? Well, tell me now, your sister. I want to tell her.
Mind your business.
Who's doing this to me?
Are you serious?
I'm telling you, my brother was behaving like someone in love. You need to see him.
In love? But I thought he's in love with Ineka.
Are you sure? Something tells me it's not Ineka. Yes, you know that kind of a look a man has when he meets a new girl. That's my brother's picture right now.
A new girl?
Yes.
Are you trying to say he met another girl?
No, he didn't tell me that. You know my brother can be secretive. That my brother. I even tried to force him to tell me why he was smiling, but he refused. That my brother.
Anyway, he has been spending so much time with Odogu's daughter. And with what you just told me, I think something is going on between the both of them.
Who is Odogu's daughter?
The one that you know now. Please, let's go to the market.
I told my brother that I was going to find out. Odogu's daughter, you said.
Mama, good morning.
How was your night?
Very well, Mama. I'm rushing to the pond to check this morning's supplies.
Is it not too early? Eh? It's too early. Go and look for something to eat first. Oh?
Mama, I will as soon as I come back. I have to rush to that pond. If I'm not there for the morning supplies, the record will not be straight. And you know your son, my father, he does not joke with money.
Like his mom.
So, I have to be on my way now.
Alright. So, where are you?
Oh, take care of yourself.
You're not carrying your motor.
No, Mama, the pond is not far from here.
Hey, please let's start going now. I can't wait. Let's go now.
Yeah, Obina. This one you didn't greet me. Am I that small that you did not see?
Eh? Yeah? Kichi. And what law says that I will greet you first? Or don't you know that women are supposed to be submissive to men?
So who is the man? Are you the man?
A grown man who is capable of fathering a child.
This your brother is becoming too rude. I don't blame you. I blame myself. Anyway, one day is one day. You will see.
And what will happen? Eh? Nkechi, what will happen? All you come here to do is to gossip all day. I'm not sure if your mom knows you are here.
Enough! Enough of this, your insult. Will you get inside before I take this, your arrogance personal?
Sister, block what I can say, me fell. No be like this, so I dey talk my own, no. No be like this.
What is even wrong with you?
You are not going to come here to give me.
Hey!
I don't like them all.
I don't blame
So this is too much. It's too much. Is it because I'm coming to your house? What kind of nonsense is that? This is your stupid brother.
I'm sorry.
You startled me. That's not funny, you know.
Sorry. I sighted you from afar, so I decided to do a quick one on you. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. So what are you doing here? It's your house close by.
No, but not too far. I live somewhere around.
Okay.
You're walking alone. Where are you going?
Yes, I'm going to the fish pond. I want to monitor the supplies this morning. If I don't, the workers will play a fast one on me, and my father will not be happy with me. I mean, my records will not be straight.
You have a fish pond. I mean, your father owns a fish pond. Why will anyone own a fish pond when we have the biggest river in this community?
Well, my father has his reasons. Besides, we have neighboring villages, communities coming to buy from us. My friend, everyone will not be a fisherman. Besides, the world has gone digital. Things are done digitally these days.
Okay, please, can I come with you?
I don't think so. I mean, I wouldn't want to disorganize your plans today. Besides, what are you doing here? You said you're a fisherman. You're supposed to be in the river catching those fishes.
I woke up very early. I did everything I wanted about fishing today, so I'm free. I'd like to come with you. Please.
You're welcome.
So, fish.
Yes.
You like fish?
Yeah.
You eat fish?
Hello.
Go check it for me, be fast. Bapioso.
Okombo, good morning.
Good morning. Go. Call your brother for me.
My brother is not around. He left early.
Early too, like on Abazi or Eh? I don't understand. I've been to the stream. He was not there. Now to his own house, and you're telling me he's not at home. How? Okay, where did he go to?
Okombo.
Eh?
It's not my brother's right to tell me whenever he's going and where he's going. Am I my brother's wife? No, I am not. He has the right to go out and come in whenever he wants. I don't know.
Please, I don't have this time. Sisi, please just go inside the house. Borrow me 500 naira. When your brother comes back, tell him to pay you back the 500 naira. He's my friend because I have important thing to do with 500 naira.
I don't have it. Chacha. Kobo, I don't have. Thank you.
I just asked you money. You didn't even check. You did not search anything. You just sit here like full stop and tell me that you don't have money. Is that the way you behave?
I don't have it.
Hello?
Kobo. Hi.
Hello?
Hi.
Am I communicating?
Yes, sir. Odiro.
Like you don't get what I said in English.
No, I don't have.
Because bani me chotoro 500 in a he use kita. Kan we me head mo kempa. Because mechapia nge gi mo won negi wo ko onya achi.
Okombo. Okombo, please go. I am very busy. Go and look for something better to do for yourself this morning, okay?
Oh no, I don't move like that. What are you saying? I just asked for 500 naira. You did not even check inside.
And I said I don't have Inatususu here. In Atususu, by any time you want money, you come and take.
I'm busy.
Uju, a voice is telling me something. A voice just said you should go inside behind the cupboard. That cloth you removed yesterday. Go to the back pocket. You see 500 naira folded. What will tell me?
Italiano. Because I'm very busy now. Can you hold this early morning?
I don't have. I don't tell that thing that is telling you that is not here. Even if I have, I will not give you.
Next time, you know teacher beans. Don't go and cook just 2 cups of beans. You don't know if you have a wanted visitor.
Because here is a Emily restaurant. Let's go, job because he is Tommy. She that funny. Not just a big alien. You're looking for 500 naira to go and do mama put this morning. The quite fair. Olini. She can't give you 500 naira. 500 naira. And you gave me money to keep for you. And I go home.
Ogo wati adio. Ego watu nanumo. Nyamandia neze. Okombolistic okombo. Oko.
Chick, where is he? I've been to his house and he was not there, so this is the only place he's supposed to be.
Of course. You can see he's not here.
Oh, you're looking orange. Ooh, whose species is this one?
Otondo, an okombolistic species. Tell me you want to decorate than asking me this species.
This is not Tangerine.
It's Tanger.
It's okay. Please, when he returns, tell him that I can look for him. You go?
It's okay.
No, Daddy.
My man! Before the war. Hey, give me that orange. I will let him know he stopped by.
Oh my goodness! You are truly a fisherman. Right. Look at the way you were handling those fishes. I can't do that. My job ends at the desk. Thank you very much.
One of these days you're going to go down. You're not just going to touch it. You're going to take a bite from it.
No, I can't do that. I can't. Bravo. What's going on?
Nneka.
Who is she?
Her name is Nneka.
Hey, you better keep quiet and stay out of this.
Just ignore them. Nneka, I need to meet my friend.
What do you take me for? A fool? We haven't set eyes on each other for days now. And you don't even care to visit. Only for me to find out that you have been spending all your time with this city prostitute.
What? How dare you? Please. Did you hear what she just called me?
No.
Are you nuts?
No, let her.
Have you gone crazy? How dare you?
Please, Mary, please.
You know what, Chike?
Ignore.
I don't have time for this.
Ignore, please, Mary.
Walk away! Go back to your city Richie. Just look at her. Loser.
What is the meaning of this?
What was all that for?
You're not even ashamed of yourself. Running after her because of her money.
Really? That's your conclusion? Do you know who she is to me?
Chikere. Mind you, we belong to each other. I gave you my virginity and I won't sit back and watch another woman snatch you away from me. It will never happen.
You also gave me this knife. You can keep it.
Whatever.
Hey! Nneka, you would have allowed me now. Let's disgrace this girl and rearrange her face a little bit.
Calm down, relax. No need to rush. Just relax. Relax.
Mary. Mary!
What?
Why would you walk out on me like that? I have been calling you.
What would you have me do? Stand there and watch those village idiots slander me? Huh?
At least you could have taken it for my sake. You'd have stood by me.
Well, I don't meddle in matters that do not concern me.
Oh, come on. Mary. Why are you being so harsh on me? Maybe it's the right time to tell you this. Since I set my eyes on you, I have never been able to do any other thing without thinking about you. Every time I close my eyes, you're all I see.
Shh. You talk too much.
I have a surprise for you.
Okay, what surprise?
Come with me.
To where?
To somewhere.
The heart is deceitful. Who can understand? The heart is like a forest. Many things living in.
Let's go.
Are we not there yet?
Not yet, but soon. Come with me.
You cannot define. It has many faces.
What happened? No catch?
Not at all. And this is strange. I believe things will never be the same again.
Why do you say so? I don't understand. What do you mean things will never be the same again?
I believe there's an oil spill. Because I sense some activities up the river. Probably that has caused the whole fishes to move to another direction.
No, I don't think there's a spill. If there is, you would have seen dead fishes floating on top of the river. More so, the stench alone would have polluted the air.
Well, to me, I just believe time and season, we can always have catch. You know, sometimes we win, sometimes we lose.
Right?
Yeah, so for now, I want to take her for a little sail.
Oh.
All right, now, I'll take you from here.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Of course.
Oh, sorry. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you. Come on.
I'm scared.
Come, I'm here. Of course now. What do you mean you should enter? Come on, enter.
I'm scared.
Don't be.
Okay.
Yes, so now you sit. Sit.
I should sit.
Sit. Aha. You're safe. I've been doing this for years. Trust me.
What?
Trust me.
We go through processes for a change in life. We go through processes for a change in life. Sometimes we meet ups and downs. It calls for a change. When you step, turn around, look the mark. You leave behind. Life must give whatever it has for you. Be wise. Learn from this life, so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Absentees to school feel the way. Lessons of life. If you are arrogant, life has a way of changing you. If you live simple and careful, life has a way to favor you. Whichever way you decide to live your life, wherever you choose to be, depends on you. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So deep. Life is so mysterious. Life is so slippery. Life is so mysterious.
Wait, where are you going with this thing?
Leave the room. Step out of my way. I am not joking with you.
My friend, calm down. Calm down. This is not the best way to go about it.
What other way? I see. The only language some people understand is violence, big time.
Can we at least make a plan on how to go about this? Is it Shikiri? Is that what dying for? Calm down.
For how long am I going to calm down? For how long am I going to endure? Leave the road.
Hey.
Leave the road.
Hey. My friend, come. Calm down.
I say leave the road. I'm not joking with you.
Calm down. Calm down. I'm your friend. I will not deceive you. Let me have it. Give it to me. Do you want to kill someone? Let's go. See, I will stop being your friend, though. I will tell you something you want to do otherwise.
Whether good or bad, Nkonye melune chea, Obi mada joka, Sochi maraya. Life is deeper, you cannot define it. It has many faces, you cannot define.
Mama, welcome.
Mama, welcome, ma.
Yeah, but what took you so long?
Mama, he took me to the river.
Yeah, the fish pond.
No.
River.
We went to the
river.
Then we sailed.
Yes, we sailed.
Sorry, Mama. Sorry, I came back late.
Nah, how are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
Say me well to your mother.
Okay, Mama. Okay, Mama.
I know you must be hungry.
Not in the real sense of it.
Let's go inside. It will make your body dirty. Let's go inside.
You cannot define it. It has many faces. You cannot define.
You are still not making sense to me, Mama.
That is always your way. Nothing else makes sense. Nekwanya, call your daughter back to the city.
You don't understand. Her she started giving you problem? Her she started misbehaving again? No, Mama, no, Mama. Don't let your guard down. Don't be soft on her.
Okay, shut up. What is wrong with you? Don't tell me you are dumping your problems on my lap, so. Because if that is the case, I will just go to my own father's house.
Oh, Mama, I'm sorry. You see, I sent her to the village so as to separate her from her deceptive friends. And I made her to be in charge of the fish pond business. And I've been happy with her dedication and everything.
Odogwu?
Yes, Mama.
Let me teach you something. Caging a woman does not make her yours. There is no long salmon, no kambede. Eh? Come and carry your daughter, because.
That's all right, Mama. That's all right, Mama. I will come to the village first thing tomorrow morning. I might likely go back with her.
Say me well to your wife and my grandson. Bye-bye.
It's all right, Mama. It's all right, Mama.
Darling. Honey, is everything all right?
No. Are you ready?
I've been ready for hours, honey. Darling, are you sure you are okay?
No, I have not really been okay. My love.
Please, talk to me. What is wrong?
Let us go. Let's go. I'm okay. Let's go.
Are you sure?
I'm okay.
Mama, you're here.
Oh, no. Is this Dikeh?
Officer, that is the girl. Young lady, you're under arrest.
For what?
For the murder of one chick at Ejiofor. I'm afraid you have to remain silent. Whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Get out, let's go.
So you,
be fast.
You killed my own brother. You're going to suffer for it.
No.
Madam,
I don't know what they are talking about. I did not kill anybody. I'm not a killer. I'm not a murderer.
I said you should move it.
Nah, take it easy. She's not a killer.
Yes.
She did not kill anyone.
I did not kill anybody.
Mama, she killed my brother. Let's go.
Don't embarrass yourself, please. Let's go.
I'll be forced to push you.
Let's go.
Let's go. Mama, don't let them take me away. Let's go. Mama, don't let them take me away. Mama, I don't kill anyone. I don't kill anyone, please. Mama, they're taking me away. I will deal with you. Mama, they're taking me away. Mama, they're taking me away. I don't kill anyone. I don't kill anyone. I don't kill anyone. I don't kill anyone.
No, let me call your father. I'll call your father. Get the phone. Get the phone, Mom. You have to come with me right now. You have to come with me.
Tell me now. Chimo. Come on.
Obina, calamity has befallen our village.
Calamity what?
Yes.
Ogini before, what is it? Talk to me now, what is it?
There is no time for this one. Don't follow me.
Wait.
Follow me.
I am busy in the farm.
This thing you are doing here is not important. You better come and see things for yourself.
What is it?
We are finished, oh.
Calamity? Not possible.
Since it's a taboo for us to see the dead body of our brother Chikere or touch it, it is better for us to go to the next village and get some people there to help us bury him.
That is what we will do.
Okay, thank you.
It's right.
Let's go.
Chikere, what did this to you? Chikere, what did this to you?
Hey! I can't believe this. So Chikere is now dead. Wonders shall never end. Who could have done this to him? I mean, I can't even believe what I'm hearing. My sister, something strange is happening in this village. I pity her poor mother. That woman is really suffering. I wonder what she could be doing by now. Wow. We just have to be careful in this village. The villagers are very, very wicked. Very wicked. Village people. To fear. To fear kwa.
I'm yet to understand. She's my friend. And if there's anyone that should be here, that would be me. Do you think this will work? I mean, the police has refused to grant me access to see her. Yeah? The law says she's innocent until she's proven guilty by the court of law. See, the signing can't be today. We have to leave this signing till next week. Because I can't even concentrate right now. Yes, I can't. Thank you so much for understanding. Thank you so much. You have been helpful. Alright, thanks. Bye.
Good afternoon, Mama. Good afternoon, my daughter. Welcome. Wambiko, remind me who you are.
Sorry, Mama. My name is Lisa. I am Mary's friend. I heard what happened and that's why I'm here.
You're welcome, my daughter. My heart is very heavy.
I'm sorry. I understand what you're passing through. Please, Mama.
Come and sit down. Let me bring water for you to drink.
No, I don't need that. That's not why I'm here.
I
This must be a dream. Yes. Yes. It's a dream. One that I will wake up from by morning. Chikere will come by the house and take me to the river. No. Not the river. Not the river again. Oh. They said I'm going to die here. They said I'll die here.
The heart is deceitful. Who can understand? The heart is like a forest. Many things live in it. The good and bad, love and hate. Only God knows.
If the only 3 pieces they here, I beg some still dey pot. Ma arrange and I know what waste time. I dey tell you, auntie wake up.
It has many faces. Be careful in the journey of life. Life is like a seed. What you sow, you must reap. Whether good or bad, nkonye melune chea. Obi mada joka, sochi maraya. Life is deeper. You cannot define. Deceitful, who can understand? The heart is like a forest. Many things live in it. The good and bad, love and hate. Only God knows and understands the heart of man. Life is deeper. You cannot define. It has many faces. Be careful.
My friend, I want you to come with me. I say you should come with me. Move! I say you should move. I said you should move, my friend.
Whether good or bad, nkonye melune chea. Obi ma.
That was how it all happened though. And since then, it has been hell on earth.
I know my friend is innocent. And there is no amount of blackmail that will work.
Blackmail?
I mean, like she was framed up or something. And the police refused me audience to speak to her. That gives me concern.
Mbano, they cannot do that to her. Huh? They cannot. That was why I told my son not to allow her stay in this village. The people here are wicked. Huh?
Anyway, Mama, I will try my best for her.
Thank you.
Why are you thanking me? Mary is like my sister. And we're concerned about each other.
Hey, that is very good. Let me get you something to eat, Onwam.
There's no need. I'm fine, please.
Nobody comes to my house without eating something. Oh?
Okay.
No. Alright, ma.
Okombo, how are you?
I can't believe my friend Chike is no more. This world is very wicked though.
Honestly, very, very wicked. You see, from the first time I set my eyes on that Mary of a girl, I knew there was something strange about her. Darkness all over her. All over her.
So you sensed it too?
Of course.
Hi. So Chike is no more. He's gone just like that. Is that fish roasted or cooked?
Cooked and roasted.
I like it.
Good, it's good you like it.
He did not even call me or ask me if I will eat.
Kombo, do you care for some?
Yes.
Come and take.
Thank you.
Why not wash your hands, dear? Is that all? Is that why you're going to clean to put your hand here? Put it very well. What if I tell that I won't give to you? It's from here. Take it easy. Take it easy. Will you take the whole fish? That will you talk you will qualify.
Since night, tears. Just running down. Let me eat and see if I can just dry up my tears.
Sorry.
I've not eaten anything since.
You just said you don't like the fish. And you've been crying, now you want to eat the second round.
The chest is good. I can eat.
Take it easy, don't finish my fish.
It's a horse and you're off, man. Next time, if you're drying fish, remember I put fresh pepper.
Is it for you or for me?
For us.
My only son, Chikere, where are you? Chikere, where are you? You left me in this lonely place. Oh, Beth, why don't you come and take me? Let me join my son. Get away! No, Chikere, please come back. Come back to your mother, please. Chikere, please come back to your mother. I've been looking for you everywhere, please. Please come back to me. No! No, Chikere, where are you? Chikere, come back to me. No! I want to go. Where is my son? Chikere, where are you?
Mama, what is it? Mama? Mama, what is it now?
I saw your brother here now. He was there looking at me.
Mama, it's okay. Mama, you're hurting yourself.
Chikere, please come back to me.
Mama, you are hurting yourself. Chikere is gone.
No, don't say that. Don't say that. I saw him now. My son will not die. My son will not die.
I'm promising you that whatever Chikere would have done for you, I am here.
He's my son, no. My only son.
Mama,
he's alive. My son is alive.
Be strong.
And I know he will come back to me.
Mama.
Oh, fire, mo. Chikere. Chikere. Where are you? My son, come back to me. Oh, your mother is missing you.
How have you been?
You came?
Yes, I came. Your mother told me everything that's happened. That is why I'm here. But how come they've not assigned a lawyer to you? It is very wrong for you to still be here.
They said they will keep me here until the investigation is completed. But honestly, Richard, I did not do it.
I know.
I did not kill anybody.
I know. I know you didn't do it. But your father is very connected. He's influential. How come he has not made calls or pulled some strings? Huh?
Richard, we are talking about a murder case here. It's only the court that can decide my freedom.
Don't worry. That is why I'm here. We'll do everything possible to bring you out.
I trust you. I missed you, Richie.
I miss you too. I miss you.